November 2015, paper 2, question 13 onwards. When you exchange foreign exchange money, £1 buys 192.45 Icelandic krona. The first question asks us to exchange £350 into Icelandic krona. So because £1 is equal to 192.45, to work out £350, you do 350 multiplied by 192.45, which equals 67,357.5, which, because it's money, I'm going to place it at 2 decimal places and round it to 0.50. When I exchange back from their currency to ours, 2,608.332 Indian rupees in pounds, the exchange rate is 100.32 Indian rupees to £1. So I would divide that by 100.32. So you're doing 2,608.32 divided by 100.32, which equals £26. Part C is a little bit of thinking. They're asking you what 100 Russian rubles are worth in Icelandic krona. If you go to the question, they're telling me 53.67 Russian rubles are equal to 192.45 Icelandic krona. So if I want to find what 1 Russian ruble is worth in krona, 1 Russian ruble would be worth 192.45 divided by 53.67, and 192.45 divided by 53.67 is equal to 3.585802.124. So that's what 1 Russian ruble is. So when I want 100 Russian ruble, I would now multiply this answer by 100. And 100 Russian ruble would be 358.58 Icelandic krona. Question 14. When you're working out this question, Rowena owns a car that David is planning to buy in 3 years' time. Rowena's car is currently worth £3,500 and it depreciates by 24% of its value in each year. So when it goes down by 24%, we say that it's dropped from 100% to 100 take away 24 is 76%. So each year it's going to be worth 76% of the previous year's value. So when I do compound interest, you write it as 0.76 to the number of years, which is 3, multiplied by the amount the car was worth. So the car was worth 3,500. So to enter that into a calculator, it's going to be open bracket 0.76 to the power of 3 times 3,500 equals £1,536.42. Okay, and then it's saying he has already saved £100 and he wants to set up a savings account to save a fixed amount of money each month to buy the car in 3 years' time. So he needs to save. He has to pay £1,536.42, take away the £100 he's already saved, and that comes up as £1,436.42. Okay, and then because he's saving that for 3 years, okay, you can divide it. 3 years is equal, 1 year is 12 months, so 3 years is going to be 36 months. So if we divide that by 36, it gives us how much he needs to save each month. Okay, so £1,436.42 divided by 36 is equal to £39.90 per month.